Ka Sorkar Jilla lengbau sembut menterang ba bedai kemi yaknat kampoyeng ka Sorkar Jilla uba Preston Tensong haka ka kendai terek kula lengkot arajar pusau kala kentu ya ka stengking atiar bala kenbean haka Jilla ka New Trap National Liberation Council HNLC bahkan wan pai biang syakami yakran yesok pat ka Sorkar Jilla pat ka Sorkar India ru kumju Kuman syukudo ba ka agency kala pentip bakala wengno eladi na kami yakran yesok bat ka Sorkar Jilla bat ka Sorkar India haka no pai singi ka laiterik kula lengkot arja pusau da ka boong bakala dei ka por ban kenjat bat sedang biang ki jingya kun baklam pendam haka kerwa ban pentip pai ba ya ka jingweng no ka konsil na kami yakran yesok no ba san kupar nong trau ka konsil kala ong kala sim ya kani karai namar ka jingbom sim khia ka Sorkar ya kimat jingdawa chongka halor ka niu sembut mitrang ba ulo ong ba ka konsil ka dei ban perkhat 1000 sien bat om dei ban kenno tang ya ka Sorkar
nakaliang jong ka HNLC ki leaders jong ka HNLC ki ba ong ba ngi withdraw namar ba ka government ka state government ba ka central government kim long sincere lane kim long khuj men sin ha ka ni ki jingi kren nga kwa ban pansyai shiki pai ba jong ka jela jong i kham tam ka jat ben riu jong i ba kin sno thu kam dei kum ta ki pha shangi ki kren ha ka tok ka ban nung kong ka bla dei ko official tok ka wei ki bu bala kom no ban dei ban patikna ya ka safe passage la dawan ki leaders ka baar hoy ki bu ba live no ya ka ban kum ka seng le no khanang ban suk ka ji kren bat ka balai ka ba ki ong kalong ba withdraw ru ya ki case baro ki ba don ha ki kut ki ba per yakini ki lai tali ki shu ka safe passage ko mo pi ngi la kular bat ni la le ru ki la sa ru bun ta yeu shani ngi ai ka safe passage number 1 number 2 ki take care ru ya ki nan dong shadong kam don kanu ban ong bang ilong arsap lai sak na relak sarka ka ba ki request ban bade ban weng ban live no ay ko to ka ban ya ka turu ngi ong ni dang ye kren mata dang de kas karaum ka benungkong ai ba ka jing kren ka jia but andal ayat san sin ne riu sin ki issue iwe hadin way ngin saya resolve ye kata ngin se kren man poi sigi stu jumut de ki bu ya kata ka daw ki ong ban na daw baka Sorkar India kam lift ya kane na daw mi kwa ban discontinue la ne ban stop no e ji kren ha ka bang ngahi la de ngi na ka state government na kren na basai ni long sincere hadu menta na mut ban ong bangi dang kerpat yakin nong elam ke jersey one shake table jo ke ji kren tung ini kren but ka ba khadu ka bagi ong ba de ban withdraw shwai ka case jom ki kadas kitu ki balasya register ki ban don ha ka case ya katar ngi ong ai ka list begini keren ai syai kalis barokoi kanu pengut kita ke balasya syachit lene kanu pengut kita ke balasya buk ai syangi kalis kenang bahakan next stop ke jingi keren kan nginang yo susu ban play balik se kita uta hakata kakut pi kita ki su ke ba ngingi keren kata tengang ngau lengo sibune bahaka bakandu how new December ka segi ka bakadu atan jus na mulale ki withdraw man ya kene kecil keren dengan kwa ban pensai kedar ban nakaliang jong ka state government but ka central government ru hak ji sya hadu menta ngi dalong very sincere but ngi dang kwa ai ba kene kecil keren kan beten ka pistok ban ya bakan ya chamar del bagi ai kini ki daw ko mo pi ki no pen man ya ka government ba ka government kam sim kia lene kam le kum ni kum tai nga thrai kata ka babakla tinga kwa robat persyai hak mat ki pa ba jog jela ka jungi nakaliang jog government hi hadu mentaru ngi na kwa ban khot ya ki noyalam joka jenersi wan shigi jingi kren ka jing khang ka play wat ladap la ai ngi ki jing thok da ngi nakaliang ka sarkar still ngidang kerpat sengau bah perkat 1000 sen wat perkat lengkot jemut perkat 1000 sen But what you can know ke surkar, but pinam yo kum ka kabuk siar. Na kalian ke surkar jongi, ke bengile, na ka MDA wan, ngatrai ka sin ka benengkong pio ka opportunity. Ba ngin la ban poi hadu ka stage rei penban, haka por ka bengila poi haka ka senjam ka benengkong. Kesan pi withdraw no, na ka ka jingkren. De na kata daw makwa ban percaya, haka ka por, bat ru lengba jong ka kor kubor, parok akwa ru ban ong ban khot biang. Yakin nong yalam jong ka chinasi, ba lakum dokum nuru, perkat temai, perkat biang, wan syakami jong ka jingkren. Naman ngila dep kren ru da ka basai, lada pis ngau ba pim long siu, pim seu long singan. Wat banyak keren hang ne haslong, hapa megala, ngilong ready banyak keren haka nunggu caka. Kataru na kaliang joka sorkar kami, bat na kaliang joka state government, ngila keren na kabasya, lada pis ngau kum ki top leaders. Bapim ngau singan, toong mapi haka nunggu caka. Nginwan, banyak keren. Kenang ba ngida ang nut bangin di kwa cisya, ba ngin poi no syabe jinga suk, bat ba ngin ya sok sain, nang ni sekmat. Ban pentulun ya kal roi kapar jom ke jala me kalaya bat kumju jom ka chat riu bat kari ke jongi barok we te kata ka bang kwa bat persai akmat jom pi bat nga kemen scan ru ba kin nong yalam barang ba du jom ka channel si kin ngau bahabat berkat biang laisin sausin kenang ba kum bang ong pi kan ni ke pi stop kan ya ka ban poi ru syaka bakut bangin yo ban ke yu so bat yang page ni ngan su ong pai pi dehan ta ban ne rong lat kong bakine ki bapli ki ba trais ki mla ti bana sim karai te hapan le chati nang the hawan sene te ngi nak kata kadau ka government of India ru nangi ke state government ngi snow dei ba habangi ong ye kren la poi ka ni ka top stage haka level ka bal along hang ni dei bet ban ye kren ki bala ban ong yes or no ka bala ban sim karai Hande le pisu ong isu apa kita te mangiru la sya subu isu apa bita tak keji keren kita te kampung ke chino subu te namar bangi kwa bahkan don ke conclusion bagi kwa ban poi sa kejing sya usok bat yang bon ong ba yes kani ka bangi agree te nga ong pi ngi kwa ba ki top leaders ki dei ban wan ban ya keren kum bangi la ready na kaliang government bro na ka central ba state government nga kerpat ba na kiru sngow ba la de piting pisngow ba ka sarkar kala ban kem kala ban kumne kumtai nga ong pc sen pat bu o jakate hang do hang no ngilong ready ban le la de pi ong arsen na lai sen na sau sen ngin wan ngin ye kren khanang ba bale yu na man ngi kwa chi cha ya ka ban poi sa ka jik sup jik sai ban ba ka peace talk ka jongi kan long ka bayai bay renti bat kan poi ru syaka positive conclusion. See if just because of that someone, it is not at all the government, it is not the central or state government who are involved in this. This is the purely the responsibility of the judiciary. But still, let me reiterate, I told you the assurance given by the state and the central government, please give us all the details, the members, how many of them, is it only one, is it only two of them, is it only three of them who was subjected to to the court cases, or maybe 30 or 20 or whatever. That's what in the first meeting of the peace talk that has been highlighted. And that has been also requested by the authorized representative of the Government of India, Ministry of Home Affairs, as well as by the interlocutor of the government to the members of the HNLC. Don't worry, we said, give us all the detail. Then we'll prepare also for the second talk.
So that means the government has asked this list from the HNLC.
Yes.
That means the government will examine which cases needs to be dropped. And
Exactly, because we want to know all the details. But they did not furnish that. Instead, ultimately, we keep waiting. Instead, ultimately, we receive a letter that they don't want to continue the peace talk anymore because of this. In fact, these issues has been already discussed in the first meeting itself. That's why the authorized representative of HNLC also, they went back to Bangladesh to discuss with their top leaders about the issues. What was the discussion? What was the justification made by the government? What was the offer made by the government to their top leaders? We request them to revisit again the decision. Because as I said to you, opportunity will not come 2, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. The golden opportunity, it may happen once or twice, but it will not happen every now and then. So my request, my humble request to the leaders of the HNLC, rethink and revisit the decision that you have taken and communicated to the government. No. In fact, letter has been accepted. You can't say that we do not accept because it is letter of withdrawal from them, not from us. That's what my duty to say here from the government side is. We request them revisit and rethink. Kani kalong ka banga kerpat ba nakabenta ka jingbit jingbiang jong ka jalame klabat ka jaj penriu kari jong ibar.